There's a rumour whispered across Da Nang about a tiny My Quang shop that doesn't appear on maps, menus or the tourist trail. A place where every noodle bowl carries the fingerprints of a family that cooks for love and passion above anything else. So today I'm walking these back streets with nothing but curiosity and the kind of hunger that only truth can satisfy. Because somewhere between the clatter of chopsticks and the steam rising from fire-breathing wok pots, there's a dish called divine, and I'm here to find it. Everybody, I'm down here in Sơn Trà in a little restaurant called Noodle. I'm going to do a little piece on this place because I reckon it's the best My Quang noodles in the neighbourhood. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. In the heart of central Vietnam, long before Da Nang grew into a coastal city of neon lights and high-rise hotels, there was My Quang, a humble bowl born from farmers, fishermen and the quiet pragmatism of people who learned how to make something extraordinary from very little. Its origins trace back to the old Quảng Nam province, where ingredients were scarce but flavour was kind of a religion. Pork, chicken, sometimes river shrimp, cooked low and slow until tenderness becomes a promise. And then the herbs, basil, mint, coriander, the wild greens that grow along the fields after rain. My Quang was never meant to impress outsiders. It wasn't street theatre or culinary bravado. It was survival food, comfort food, celebration food. A dish that told the story of a region shaped by hard work, heat, and the stubborn belief that even simple things could be beautiful. Over generations, families guarded their recipes like heirlooms. Slight variations, tiny rebellions, secrets passed from mother to daughter, father to son. And somehow this unassuming bowl became the soul of central Vietnam. It's 4 a.m. in Sơn Trà. Nguyen and Quan are up early preparing dishes for the day.
The baby salad and this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Em nhà mình còn củ né thôi mà. Yeah, would smell.
Yeah. Here comes the chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, keep the chicken floor.
We've got the pork over there.
Bột. Yeah. I marinated yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah, marinated yesterday.
Oh, marinated yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's a pork, is that one? Pork?
Beef.
Oh, beef?
Yeah,
Okay.
Vietnamese. Yeah, Vietnamese beef.
And the beef is that most expensive meat in Vietnam, beef?
Yeah.
Is it more expensive than pork?
Yeah, expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, expensive for a chicken.
Chicken and the pork's around the same price?
Yeah. Yeah, tenderloin. Vietnamese tenderloin. Vietnamese beef room. Yeah, beef room. Beef room a leg.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, beef a leg.
What is this?
Beef.
Beef?
Yeah, beef like a heart and
The offal. Yeah, right. Beef hearts.
Yeah, I slow cook and
Nice.
tenderloin and cook very fast.
So you got the beef meat, beef offal.
Yeah, slow cook and shoot and on shoot and then inside and frame.
So as you can see, it's definitely a family affair. We got everyone on board here. Chuck it in. I think I'm the only one that's not doing anything around here. I'm just kind of stumbling around, getting in their way. But yeah, it's amazing to see the teamwork between the two. We got, multiple operations going on here. We got the shrimp and the beef going on in there. We got the pork and the chicken here. Now he's just about done here, so he's just finishing up here and getting things ready for the day. We're serving up into the pot.
Beef, chicken.
One thing I've never had before I came to Vietnam were quail eggs, and they seem to be the magic touch to this My Quang noodles. Absolutely beautiful. As you can see, we got those quail eggs simmering in the background here, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And if you ever come to Vietnam, you've definitely got to suss out the My Quang noodles, especially come here to this specific restaurant. I've been coming here since I've been in Vietnam. We discovered this little place. Actually, we got a tip off. My good friend John, who I rented my desk and my other stuff, put me onto this place. He said, Jeff, you got to get down here and check out the My Quang noodles. And I reckon we probably come down here 3 or 4 times a week. So it's absolutely beautiful food. I almost want to stir those eggs, but I better not touch them. I'm not going to mess with their cooking, but you can see they got a system going, and this is the morning routine. Every day they do this dance, this poetry for pre-cooking their meals. It's great to see.
the food by our heart, and everything ingredients are fresh.
Yes.
We sell on day, only today. I hope that everyone, especially foreigners, come here and love our food. And I hope that they will introduce them to their friends and relatives.
Stay tuned for the next episode. And do us a favour, everyone, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way you can support us right now.